it is no more news that the concentration of the world is now on Africa. And so, therefore, it's expedient to move swiftly from the dogmatic talking arena to the pragmatic resort zone. That being said, where everyone will see the transformation on the go. Okay? Vision Africa primary agenda to unify Africa calls for immediate workforce among Africa's advocates and patriots whose interest is solely for Africa's deliverance and our future. We therefore present some of our summarized visionary drivability, industrial institution, and architectural infrastructure, which we have mentioned, and that is African global economy. H. African Textile Museum, African Tech and Innovation Tournament, Global African Record, call it GA. So let me just take it one by one. African global economy age serve to create a true economic independence based in Africa through Vision Africa's e-commerce, e-bank, modern agriculture, organic healthcare, wealth creation, food security, sport, health and culture, entertainment, data economy, affordable housing unit, infrastructure, technical education, business, trade, innovation, mega project, etc. to advance Africa. Now, we talked about African Textile Museum, ATM, is configured as one of the Vision Africa purpose-driven, indigenous, sustainable agri-tech solutions to solve African problem for the economy resourceful integration. Why African Tech and Innovation Tournament at it serves as an organic, advanced tech-driven solutions to Africa's digital world through talent, creativity, and capital investment. ATD is formed to harmonize, organize, concretize, mobilize, unify, and promote African brains with out-of-the-box transgenerational tools. We believe in this, that this is the way forward. African Tech Innovation Tournament will help Africa beyond something that global competition has been engaging in over the years through talent, creativity, and investment. So what we are saying is that Global African Record, that is GA, is an Afrocentric glamour record, an award for Africans who exhibit outstanding skill, talent, expertise, and those who have created tremendous impact in various levels, sectors, industries, and African institutions globally. GAD is created to sustain African value-driven talent, intelligence, and legacy through historical acknowledgement and indigenous events in conjunction with African award platform. So the above strategy will create an enhanced unification and inclusivity of Africa as a thematic integration magnet.